Hi, in this video, let me show you how to use the automatic document feeder on the top of your HP OfficeJet Pro printer. Now, I know there's many different models. This one is the 8125E, but if you have a different one, honestly, they all work the same way. So first of all, let me show you how to input paper over here. It's quite easy. So first of all, you're gonna notice these two guides. If you're gonna scan some US letter size or A4 size paper, you need to push these to the extremities this way. The paper needs to glide in between them. And make sure to not scan more than 35 pages at the same time. As you see here, there's a limit, okay? Never go above that bar. So you're going to take your stack of paper and you're going to input it facing up with the top part of your page towards the left side. So I'm going to simply glide the paper, and you see if it doesn't glide, just make sure you align it. Push it until you reach the end. Usually you're going to get a message that the document is loaded. The printer has noticed that the document has been loaded. You also have a small flap over here that you can open, since the paper will get scanned on the top and will come out down below. If you have many pages and you don't open this, all the pages will fall on your desk or on the floor. So don't forget to do this. All right, once you have input the paper, you have multiple choices. You can, first of all, make a copy. This is the easiest. You just press the copy button on the display over here, document copy. You're going to have a few different settings. You can change, for example, how many copies you want, etc. And then you press the green button to start the copy machine by using the automatic document feeder. If you want to copy something, so use the automatic document feeder and get the results on your phone, iPhone or Android. In that case, we'll need to download the HP Smart app. And before that, we can connect the printer. We need actually to connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or maybe your computer if you're using a Mac or PC. So let me show you how you can do this. Scan something on the automatic document feeder and get the results on your phone. In this menu, okay, you can go left and right, but we're going to click on the first option, the menu option. Then you're going to go down, and one of the options should be settings. Select network, select Wi-Fi. Make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on, and you're going to see Wi-Fi setup wizard. Press on start. It will search for all the Wi-Fi networks currently around the printer, so be patient. And you're going to get a list. In this list, you can go up and down, select your Wi-Fi network that you wish to connect to. Then tap over here and enter your password on this keyboard. Press OK, press submit, press OK again, and the connection will start. It usually takes less than 10 seconds. At the end, you're going to get a green check mark and the message connection successful. On your Android phone, we need to download the HP app. So open the Google Play Store, tap on search and type over here HP. Download the HP app made by HP Inc. Then you're going to open the app. You will add a new printer by tapping the plus sign. You're going to tap on choose an available printer. From here in the list, you should see your HP OfficeJet Pro 8120E series. Tap on it. And the printer will be added to the app. Over here, you can see the ink status on the top. And if you go down, you should see scan. Okay, right under here, scan. Tap on it. You have a few different presets, but I won't touch them. It's not very useful. Press the scan button and it will start. You're going to get a preview. Don't ask me why, but it has automatically selected a part of my page to save, but this is not what I want. So you're going to press full down below. So the whole thing gets saved. Press next. And now you have the choice to print whatever you just scan, share it on social media or email. And if you want to save it on your phone, you're going to press save. give this scan a new name. In case you want something more relatable, you can type a new name. And down below, you're going to press save after selecting which kind of file you want, a JPEG or a PDF. Press save, it got saved, and you're good to go. If you want to input paper on the top document feeder, you're going to place your pages align, put them facing up, okay, with the text facing up, and with the top part of your page towards the left side, you're going to glide it. And the only difference in the app, once you want to scan using this method, is by clicking on the top, and instead of scanner glass, select document feeder. This is it. The other things is all the same thing. Press scan, and now you see the printer takes page by page everything you have input in there. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Check my Amazon links if you want to get replacement ink cartridges for your OfficeJet Pro 8125E or replacement paper. Check my links, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.